हेलो एवरीवन। सो 5 तारीख को ना नेट एग्ज़ाम है और मेरा सीट त्रिपुरा इन्फो डॉट कॉम में है और वो लगभग कुछ किलोमीटर दूर पे ही है और मैं वहाँ पर साइकिल से चला जाऊँगा बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव मनी एंड देन आई विल गिव द एग्ज़ाम। द एग्ज़ाम टाइम इज़ फ्रॉम 9 to 12 p.m. 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and you are not allowed to carry any mobile phone or electronic gadgets or any bomb वगैरह वगैरह. So you're just going to be a good boy and go to the center of your exam and give your exam. Okay. About the preparation goes, see, I have no preparation for NET exam. I didn't prepare anything, like not even anything. I just believe that it's all about luck. Like CVT, of course. CVT, like it's about luck, like for example, those who scored many much marks are no longer. No, I'm not going to say that. I'm not going to say that. Okay.